What is going on, guys? Welcome back. My name's AJ and you're watching the Demon Dude Garage. And obviously, if you read the title of today's video, you know that something pretty major has happened recently. And today's video, we're going to talk about it. You definitely don't want to miss out on this one, so stay tuned. So obviously the format of this video is going to be quite different than my normal videos. As you can see, we're actually in a completely different location than where we normally film. We're actually in a whole different side of town and a whole different city, and that's for a very serious reason. Wow, this squirrel here, guys, has been terrorizing me. But more on that later. We'll get into that much later when we get back to normal filming. But now today's video is about me getting robbed. So if you read the title of the description of today's video, you saw that I was robbed. And I was actually robbed while filming a video in my garage in broad daylight. Get this battery. Battery. Yeah, so
oh, yeah, you got some nice stuff.
As we know, the world's a little bit crazy right now, and people seem to be a little more emboldened. And yeah, I have been filming for that exact reason. And not to mention getting held up in my garage. They stole my camera, they stole my work laptop, they stole my editing laptop, and they stole all my lenses, everything that I actually use for YouTube. So it kind of really killed my morale, and quite honestly, YouTube just became less of a priority because it was more about getting my family to safety. So that's what I've been doing for the past 2 months or so, and we are here today. Now, I wanted to make this video not to get sympathy from you guys, just to build some awareness for those of you guys out there that that are on Instagram, that are on social media. Be very careful, be mindful at your surroundings. Be mindful about the locations that you place on things. I know that I wasn't the best advocate of sorry, I'm holding this phone here because this is all I got to use. I wasn't the biggest advocate of keeping my location concealed, and I don't really know if they were from YouTube or for Instagram or anything like that, but it definitely made me open my eyes to the possibilities about the type of people that are actually out there. And let's just face it, there's some messed up, just some horrible people. I would love to use some different terminology, but this is a Christian channel, so I definitely don't want to upset the YouTube algorithm and you guys out there. But there's some choice words for people like this, for people like that out there, because they are out there and they are around, stalking you around the corner, looking to take what you have and kind of demoralize you to bring you down a notch. And that's what I wanted to come and talk to you guys about, especially today, is be grateful for what you have. And there's always somebody out there that's going to be trying to take what you have and just kind of discourage you from doing what it is you want to do. And I want to say that I was in a low place for a little while, thinking that maybe YouTube wasn't the thing for me to do, or maybe I should be focusing on my family more and less about the cars and YouTube. And it got me to thinking. I reprioritized my life, and I realized that this is a big part of my life, that you guys are a big part of the reason why I do this. And to take me out of the game now, for me to stop doing what I'm doing now, would be a disservice to myself and disservice to you guys. So I wanted to make this video today to let you guys know that I am going to be pushing forward. We're going to continue making these videos, and they're going to get better. And you know what? Someone told me not too long ago that this is just a minor setback for a major comeback. So with that said, we are now in a very secure location. I have a whole bit of property to myself, a backyard, a garage in the backyard with some space completely private from the outside world where I can film, with privacy, which is a dream come true for me for all that I do. Because if you guys didn't realize before, I was doing all that in an apartment complex at a townhome community with a 2-car garage, mind you, but it was out in the open. It was so difficult to film because people were always walking around looking at me filming, and as if they couldn't tell what I was doing. And it made making videos take forever. So that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I know today's video was a bit of a downer. Definitely wasn't trying to bring y'all's day down. Just wanted to let you guys know where I've been for the last 2 months, because a lot of you guys have been asking me on Facebook and also on Instagram, especially on Instagram, where I've been, where are all the videos. So now you know. I'm okay. Everybody's okay. We're going to get back to regularly scheduled content very soon, probably as soon as next week. And I got a lot of big things planned for the E46 still, and especially for the E36. So you're definitely not going to want to miss out on that. So anyway, guys, I really want to thank you guys for all the support. I want to thank you guys for watching the Beamer Dude channel. And as always, guys, peace out and Godspeed.
Everybody on the top got the same sound. Everything I'm about to drop, make a name now. Yeah, y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Yeah, I ain't never gonna be the same now. I'ma tear up this whole fucking game now. Yeah, y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. Y'all don't really know, y'all don't really know. I got so many bars, call it kamikaze. Ain't nobody ever gonna ever stop me. And I know that